Protecting your car from theft is crucial in safeguarding your investment and ensuring your vehicle remains secure. Implementing a combination of preventive measures can significantly reduce the risk of your car being stolen. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to keep your car safe from theft. First and foremost, always lock your car and secure all windows and doors. Even if you're only stepping away for a few moments, it's a basic yet effective deterrent that makes your vehicle less appealing to thieves. Make it a habit to double-check that your car is locked and that the alarm system, if installed, is activated before leaving it unattended. Installing a car alarm system is another important step in protecting your vehicle. Modern car alarms come with various features, including motion sensors and remote activation, which can alert you if someone is tampering with your car. Choose an alarm system that includes a loud siren and flashing lights to draw attention and discourage potential thieves. Consider using a steering wheel lock as an additional layer of security. These devices are designed to immobilize the steering wheel, making it difficult for thieves to drive the car away. While not foolproof, a visible steering wheel lock can act as a deterrent and make your car a less attractive target. Another effective method to prevent car theft is to use a GPS tracking system. These systems can help you track your vehicle's location in real time if it is stolen. Many GPS trackers also come with features that allow you to remotely disable the engine, making it more challenging for thieves to escape with your car. Parking in well-lit and secure areas is crucial for reducing the risk of theft. Thieves are less likely to target vehicles in busy, well-lit areas where they are more likely to be seen. Whenever possible, park in secure, monitored parking lots or garages. Avoid parking in isolated or poorly lit areas where thieves can work unnoticed. Utilize window etching to deter theft. Window etching involves marking your vehicle's windows with a unique identification number that is difficult to remove.